A very pleasant day to one and all. I, Amrit of Plus 1B stand before you to represent my video lecture on lichens as symbionts. I plead to you to listen it patiently. This topic may be quite new for you, but is quite interesting. What is lichen? A lichen is not a single organism. It is a stable symbiotic association between a fungus and the algae. Like all fungi, lichen fungi require carbon as a food source. This is provided by the symbiotic algae that are photosynthetic in nature. The lichen symbiosis is thought to be a mutualism since both the fungi and the photosynthetic partners are called photobionts. The scientific name of lichen is cup lichen. It is eaten by llama. Its rank is genus. You can see the example of the lichen in the image. A tree is covered with leafy foliose lichens and shrubby fruitivorous lichens. Which fungi from lichens? Many unrelated and very different fungi from lichens, including mushroom-forming fungi and especially cup fungi. 98% of lichen fungi are cup fungi. Fully half of all astomycetes and 1 in 5 of all non-fungi from lichens. Lichenization is an ecological strategy or a common nutritional mode among unrelated fungi. What are lichen photobionts? Lichen photobionts are the green algae that provide the simple sugars to the fungal partners. 90% of all lichens associate with a green algal photobiont. I hope so you're all clear about lichens, so I'm going to begin with lichens as symbionts. Lichens are a symbiotic association that is mutually useful association between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phytobiont and the fungal component as microbiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water for its partner. So close is their association that if one saw a lichen in nature, one would never imagine that they had two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas. As in the image, you can clearly see the schematic cross-section of a lichen, a symbiosis between green algae and a fungus. Number 1, thick layers of hyphae called the cortex. Number 2, green algae. Number 3, loosely packed hyphae. Number 4, anchoring hyphae called rhizomes. You might be wondering that why are only lichens considered as symbionts? A lichen is not a single organism. It is a stable symbiotic association between a fungus and algae. The lichen symbiosis is thought to be a mutualism since both the fungi and the photosynthetic partners called photobionts benefits. Symbiosis in lichens is mutually helpful symbiotic relationship of green algae living among filaments of fungus forming lichen. Living as a symbiont in a lichen appears to be a successful way for a fungus to derive essential nutrients, as about 20% of all fungal species have acquired this mode of life. The autotrophic symbionts occurring in lichens are a wide variety of simple photosynthetic organisms commonly and traditionally known as algae. These symbionts include both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Lichen symbiosis. I hope now you are all clear. See in the image that fungi, microbiont fungal partner, algae, photobiont algal partner, and the cyanobacteria. This is all about lichens as symbionts. Thank you.